Hello, my name is Steve Morrow and I'm the Vice President for Strategy and Campus Operations at Gannon University. I wanted to be the first to welcome you to our Gannon University Ruskin campus. We are so very grateful that you are considering us to continue your education as a future healthcare practitioner. We think that there are so many reasons why the Gannon University Ruskin campus is the right fit for you. For example, we have really small cohort sizes in all of our programs, 30 students or less. What that means is that you're going to have the opportunity to interact with our stellar faculty one-on-one with every opportunity that you can imagine. In addition, our facilities are brand new. We now have over 100,000 square feet of space that's dedicated to programming that is going to allow you the latest access to the technology in the classroom and in the laboratories. Outside of the classroom, you're going to have access to clinical sites in major metropolitan areas like Sarasota, Tampa, and St. Petersburg. These clinical sites are going to continue your education that you started in the classroom to make sure that you have the hands-on attention that you'll need as a future healthcare practitioner. And finally, you're going to be surrounded by other students who are receiving their education both within your discipline but also outside of your discipline. I mean, after all, healthcare practice doesn't occur in a silo, so why should the education you receive? This type of interprofessional education is truly unique and one that you're going to see at the Gannon University Ruskin campus. I hope I've provided you with some of what I think are many opportunities that await you at our Gannon University Ruskin campus. I wanted to thank you again for considering Gannon as your choice to continue your healthcare education and training as a future healthcare practitioner. Thank you, and I hope to see you at our campus soon.
Hi, I'm Michelle Kaufman, the Director of the Ruskin Physician Assistant Program at Gannon University. The program is a 24-month program. The last 2 years of the program are very similar to the physician assistant program that is run on the Erie campus, which is a 5-year program and has been around since the 1970s and is very successful. One unique aspect of the Ruskin Physician Assistant Program is that we have incorporated the basic sciences into our physician assistant didactic curriculum. So you will be taking anatomy along with physical diagnosis, physiology along with your lab diagnosis class, and pathophysiology with your clinical medicine courses. The clinical phase of the program consists of 9 5-week clinical rotations. The clinical rotations are mostly within an hour of the Ruskin campus. If you would like to do clinicals outside of Florida, you can work with the clinical coordinators to see if that's possible. The clinical coordinators will set up all of your rotations. Students are not required to set up their own rotations. There is also a research component of the program in which the students decide to do a research project or a community service project. If they decide to do research, the students will conduct a research project and develop a paper based on that research. If the students decide to do the community project, they will develop a presentation that is given to the community in order to educate the community on their chosen topic. They will then develop a literature review paper. The students will work with faculty mentors on these projects in the hopes that we can get these projects published in peer-reviewed publications. The program accepts 30 students into each cohort, so if you're interested in being part of a small cohort with access to other health science majors and increased one-on-one action with your faculty, then Gannon is the place for you.
Hi, I'm Savannah Bradley. I'm from Venice, Florida, and I'm a first-year physician assistant student at Gannon University.
Hi, I'm Susanna Smith. I'm a first-year PA student here at Gannon, and I'm originally from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I chose Gannon University for their commitment to faith and exemplary medical education standards.
I really like all the hands-on learning experiences we get here at Gannon. We get small class sizes for the lab, so we get a lot of one-on-one time with professors and each other to practice all of our clinical skills.
On a day-to-day basis, students can expect a close-knit community and a campus that welcomes them and makes them feel like they're really a part of a team.
My favorite thing about Gannon University is the dedication of the staff and faculty to our success and their willingness to do really whatever it takes to make us the best providers we can be.
Every time that I come here, I find myself doing more and more things that I never would have thought I could have done or would have done in my life. But the environment that they provide is so nurturing that it really makes you feel like you can do anything.